What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This morning I'm on my way to pick up a new weapon from an FFL dealer, something that I ordered about 2 weeks ago that got delivered on Monday, but it was a little frustrating because by the time I get off work and get back to this side of town, the store is just basically about to close. So I had to wait until Saturday to be able to go and pick it up. So right now I'm headed up there to get this new tool, and once I grab it and get back home, we're gonna do an unboxing together. So I'll see y'all when I get everything situated.
Fred.
Yeah.
What's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
Alright guys, the package has been delivered. The eagle has landed, as they say. So we're gonna get on home so I can do this unboxing. See y'all on the other side. Alright guys, we made it back home safely. I got the package secured, and as you can tell by the title of the video, I got me a new toy to play with, and this is my first Israeli weapon. So first Israeli weapon, second Bullpup, and I look forward to seeing how this weapon compares to my Helion. And I really like the Helion, and what I like about this gun is I'm gonna take y'all back in, I wanna say mid 2000s, early 2000s kinda. It was used to be a video game on PlayStation called Navy SEAL Socom, and on that game the weapon of choice that I used to use was the IW-80, and when I saw this gun, it looked so much like that gun. I actually think it's the same gun, but it just has a different name. So I wanted to add it to my collection. So y'all about to see the first unboxing along with me. I mean, I got a quick glimpse of it at the FFL dealer, but now I'm finally getting it home. I want to share the experience of unboxing it with you guys. So here we go. Alright, here it is. This is the Tavor X-95, and I got a couple plans for this gun of, you know, personalizing it and making it my own, starting with changing this pistol grip. I really don't care for this pistol grip with this part. So I got a more standard pistol grip. What else? Eventually I'm going to change the handguard and get the black label handguard with the bipod. And what else? Slap an optic on here. I'm not going to suppress this at all. I think I may change this butt pad to the angle one, and yeah. So this is it. This is the Tavor X-95. This is a ambidextrous gun. You can switch. This is the charging handle. You can switch the charging handle from this side to this side. Let me put this box down. But y'all ain't missing nothing in the box. Basically the same stuff that you normally get with a weapon. Y'all know, living in Maryland, they gave me a QD attachment. But living in the state of Maryland, we're not allowed to have high capacity mags shipped with our weapons. So y'all ain't missing nothing. So there you go, closer look. Let's see what this trigger feel like. Let's see. Hold on, it's gonna say. That ain't too bad for a bullpup. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see. Give it to y'all this way. It's not too bad for a bullpup. Alright, get the reset. Yeah, I was expecting much worse from what I heard. Oh, this gun also comes with built-in iron sights that if I can figure out how to. There you go. You got built-in iron sights. Yeah, they hide right now and into the Picatinny rail. I think that's a cool little feature. Hopefully I can still use it once I put my optic on it. But yeah, this is my new toy, guys. So guys, these are a couple of accessories that I got that I'm going to put on the gun. So this is the pistol grip that I was telling y'all about. This is the Underworld Arms pistol grip. Give them more standard look. And I got the Magpul vertical grip. Alright guys, I've upgraded the pistol grip to the more standard pistol grip. Now you got these panels on the side that you can push down, slide. You can remove them if you want. See this? Push this down, slide this out, take them off. You got more Picatinny rail. You got that on the sides and on the bottom. So I'm gonna remove the bottom one for right now so that I can put my my foregrip on it. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these right now. I might take them off, I might leave them on. Alright guys, I got my foregrip on. Got my foregrip on, my pistol grip on. Last but not least is I'm gonna throw my optic on here. So give me a few and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, so for my optic, I went with the CV Life optic. I forgot the zoom rate on this, but I wanted to set it up as closest to my Hellion as possible so I can see how each gun compares with each other. So I got the same foregrip, same optic. This gun got the mag releases right here in the same location as your standard AR. So that's one of the differences between this and the Hellion. Your mag goes here, and got your mag release. Your mag release is right here. Mag release. So yeah, this my new toy, guys. Hopefully, I like it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video too. And anybody got any experience with this weapon, leave a comment in the description. Anybody got any questions, leave a comment in the description, and I'll get back with you. Hold on, hang on 1 second. I'm gonna go and grab my Hellion. Alright, here's my Hellion. Same mag pull, vertical grip, same optic, iron sights come with the gun. Here's my Tavor. Same setup. Actually, let me let y'all see what it looked like with the mag in it. Now with my optic placed where it is, I'm not gonna be able to use the red flip up sight. So I might buy some aftermarket sights to slap back here. They got some pretty good fiber optic sights on Amazon that I like, that I got on a couple of my other guns. So there you go, both guns, same setup. Which one would I like the best? I really like this Hellion, but this thing just looks so much like the gun that I used to use on Socom. Woo! I can't wait.